What did he say?
Huh?
I don't know. Pardon? Over where?
Let's go to that stop sign there. That stop sign, all get shouty, alright?
What? I don't know, stop sign or something. I don't know.
Where do they want to go? Here?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
Over here?
I'm so confused.
Yeah, so am I.
Alright, yeah. You've got the output there, but you just need to have a bit better there.
Yeah.
Just want to quickly swim the vehicle through. Yeah, with the screws shut. Maybe 2 seconds, Jez, then you're on your way.
What's happening?
Just make sure everything's all in order, make sure it's all insured. The problem with we see it all a lot of the time with these bikes is when you get the L plate there.
I got it there too.
He's got it as well, I like that.
Is it a good idea?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Oh, ideal.
Because everyone needs to know that you're a learner driver to not forgive mistakes, but just to be slightly more tolerant.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
So yeah, so ideal. Does that come out then? Is that meant to be that?
They're quite fun little bikes actually, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right.
What's that then? 125? Yeah.
Have a sit on it if you want.
No, that's alright, but we'll just put the one you got your driver licence on you at all?
Yeah. I'll just get it over there.
Cool.
What? Yeah. TIG welded.
Have you got it here?
Yeah.
You're joking.
Yeah. It's comfy, isn't it?
Wasn't sure.
Is this just like a random check sort of thing?
Because I went down there to get a picture, mate, that's what it was.
No, take a picture.
Thought he was going to try and run from us out.
Yep.
Sorry, it's alright. Can't really, mate. Clean one wheels, mate. Maybe get 30.
4th February, 97.
My licence is at my mum's, but got to get it changed.
So you got a different address?
Yeah, that's where this is registered to, it's 270. Yeah, that's where this is registered.
Sorry, can you repeat the address again? Yeah.
Tango Park. Keep forgetting about it.
Yeah. About 14?
Yeah. I don't know if you wanted to what time you want. He's got a massive on
First time it's not been ages. Yeah. I used to have this really rough 125 blue bike. All the time. Like, started getting a point of harassment, man. It's so bad.
No, that's right.
I know though, I know it was a bit rough like by the time I finished with it. But yeah. Got myself a half decent bike now, so. Yeah, all of them are, well, apart from him, he's changed his tyres on supermotors.
GoPro.
Yeah.
Do you want any name as well? Or?
No.
Go for riding.
Hello, bed sorted, yeah? Thank you very much.
Yeah. Supermotor. Yeah, he's got the same wheels, just wait for the tyres.
Oh, right, just a different type.
Yeah, they got exactly the same.
How fast were these for then? Limited to 70. Yeah. Is it really limited?
Yeah.
You get 70, that's it.
You just sat there like ba 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 ba, and it's just like, oh.
It's more for quick acceleration.
Must be quite fun being a policeman in like somewhere like this.
Can be. Not everybody's happy to see us.
A lot of events, like.
As you can imagine, not everybody's happy when they get pulled over, so...
Yeah.
Hey ho.
You do off-roading as well, is it just?
Like just a bit of green lane, really, isn't it, perhaps?
Yeah.
It's just hard trying to find new ones, like get bored of the same thing, don't you?
Yeah.
Nice Darryl getting sorted out, is he?
I don't know where mine is.
What's that, your license?
Yeah.
So we can catch your name earlier.
Pardon?
Let's take your name again, sorry. Your name.
My name?
Yeah.
Fabio Lino.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Sorry, I didn't catch your name, that's fine.
Yeah, that's right. Ideal. Ideal.
Cool. Alright. You'll run through, yeah, quite happy?
So I'll be home in a minute. I'll get a cheeky or something.
Yeah, I'm sure they're all fine. Right, we'll let them. Ideal. Thank you very much for that, guys. You have a safe evening. Enjoy the evening. Yeah. You going to be in the same long? You're heading back soon?
We're heading off out now. Just come back from holidays. We'll spend some time with her.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
You might have a present.
Come back from Gozo.
Everything's out. We're just saying you can do with invest in some proper bike gear.
Yeah, I have got it all, but like
Why aren't you wearing it then?
I didn't expect.
Have you ever crashed on your bike?
Yeah, loads of times.
So you know what it feels like?
Yeah.
I do as well.
I didn't expect to be coming up here. Like, just got dragged up here again.
Right. 259.
Yeah.
You're on 259, yeah?
No, I'm on 260 actually.
You're on 259. Alright. Do you want to go on 259 as well? Just to listen up and you can shout out what's going on. Alright?
I'm on already.
Cool. That's ideal.
Right, we'll get through.
Yes, thank you very much. Cheers.
Darryl. Now.
Shh.
Now, you're sorted now, you're done?
Hear the clap. Scare. I want to get a picture of one of them on it. Yeah, might as well. Alright, come on then.